So I don't know if you can see this, but I got this on the highway. I have no idea what this is. Looks blacktop, concrete, steel, maybe. This is, you know, a bad place for vehicles to get rusty, and you know, people do drive them when they shouldn't. So maybe this came off of a truck that's held together with ratchet straps. But today I show you how to plug the tire. Plug kit, try to carry them with you. Always, they cheap, just throw them in your vehicle. You know, it's better to have a plug kit and not need a plug kit than not have a plug kit and need one. I do not have the cement, but you can use these without the cement. So to use these, hopefully you can see this, because I don't know, I got the GoPro on my head. We're just going to open this up, get the most sticky one we can, which is this one, or the middle one. Both of these pretty sticky. And then we're going to feed them through here. So we'll probably use this one. So you want to mash this and feed it through, just like so. And get this, get something to remove what you need. Hopefully we can remove it with this. And it's gonna hiss. It came out. And then you want to wean the tire. Holy shit, that's a piece of scrap metal. Must fell off somebody's truck. I'll put this back in here for now. Might have to use your hose.
We will.
Now we're going to take the plug. I'm going to insert the plug in here just like so. Oh God, get in. Oh, sometimes it takes some muscle. Oh, John, you got more muscle than me. Whoops. Whoops. Maybe I need to wean it more.
Probably.
Think so?
That's right.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh God! Ugh. Is it going? I think that's good, don't you?
Say so. Let you do what you want to do.
Oh, me? So we twist it a couple times and then pour it out. Ugh. And then you can cut this down if you want to, or, you know, put some fix-a-fight in it. It should seal up. Yeah, it definitely wear down. But that, if you can see, is what came out of it. Look at this. I don't know what man picked that up at. That's been off of a truck or something metal or a piece of scrap, ain't it? At the end of the day, that's how you patch a tire. It's carry fix-a-flat with you too if you can. Always helps. And maybe a little air compressor. They don't take up much space. And yeah. Hopefully you found this helpful. Drop a like, leave a comment.